let's first discuss what reading is, what's its definition, and how we can better understand the word reading. Okay. As you know, reading, as I have already said in this course, that reading is one of the complex skills because it involves various psychosocial processes or mental networks. So the recent research also underlines that reading is one of the most complex skills to develop as compared to listening, writing, and speaking. Okay. Well, it's been defined like as a conscious or an unconscious process of thinking process. When we are reading a text, we are whether consciously, we are aware of what we are reading, or when we are reading a text, we are unconsciously interacting with the text. So what I want to say is, when we are designing a reading program, we can help our students develop some strategies to notice what they are reading. Okay. And since reading is called an interactive process in SLA, second language acquisition, so because reader, they reconstruct the meaning of a text, and it's the reconstruction of the meaning, their understanding of a text is influenced by various variables. For example, their existing knowledge, their prior knowledge, or their values about the text, their cultural differences, or so when they are reading the text, they are reading it. Their reading is influenced by their prior knowledge. What they know about particular subject. Okay, so what I want to say is, reading is there is no single definition of reading. Rather, there are various, and it has been defined or explained by researchers, as you can see, by Nation, as a decoding and comprehension process where a text is assumed to give a meaning, and reader, what they do is decode that meaning and understand and comprehend that meaning. So it's about not only recognizing the language, but also the meaning. So when we construct meaning, we are involved in a comprehension process. So this process is called interactive because when we are reading a text, we are not passively receiving it, or as I have already said, like it's usually called as a receptive skill. So rather, it's influenced by our prior knowledge or values or culture about a specific text. So what reading is a complex skill, and throughout this course, you will come to realize that it shouldn't be seen as in isolation. Rather, it's very much influenced by speaking, writing, listening, and it's very much influenced by readers' psychosocial or cultural differences and how they approach their a particular text.